Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be checking out the Galaxy80 mechanical keyboard by Feker in collaboration with EPOMAKER. Let's not waste any time and unbox this bad boy. You get a keycap puller, a USB-C cable, followed by a user manual and a few marble white switches. And finally, the keyboard. I like the back of the keyboard, especially the branding. It goes well with the aluminium housing. I also like this cool feature. At the back you get an on and off switch followed by a USB-C port and another switch for Mac or Windows. Feker were also kind enough to send out a white version of the keyboard. Which one do you prefer? The black, which I have, or the white? Another cool feature of the Galaxy80 mechanical keyboard is that it has some RGB lights which are fully customizable. There's also a ton of other things that you could customize. Honestly guys, I'm digging this keyboard. Would you rock it too?